how to change audio settings in your Zoom call. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the audio settings in your Zoom call. Let's get started. Open up your browser, head over to your Zoom call, then go to the arrow beside the microphone icon. Click on audio settings, and now here you can choose the speaker of your choice. You can choose your microphone, and then you can see audio profile. You can choose background noise suppression through browser built-in noise suppression or Zoom background noise removal. Similarly, you can choose to mute your microphone when joining a meeting or even uncheck it if you don't want to. Similarly, you can change other settings like pressing and holding space key to temporarily unmute yourself. You can see sync buttons on headset. So these are some of the audio settings that you can change in your Zoom call. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.